Hey guys, just want to update you on our pro trading system color method results in real time here. We're going to dive into the signals and the updated pips and points tally. Okay, so first of all, we've got the inside here, just a reminder. Okay, so this is our radar screen with the pro trading system storyteller color method plugged in, updating itself in real time. And on the left hand side here, we got the markets. We're going to go into the Nasdaq 100 here as well, look at some stocks. In the middle here, it says whether it's a short trade or a long trade, short trade, and so on. On the right hand side here is the P&L in points. Okay, so if you look at the pound US dollar here, it's 54 pips. All right, so you multiply that then by your position size, whether you're using funded accounts or spread betting or whatever. And of course, if you're using a share dealing account, you would just multiply that by your position size. If you're doing a spread betting account, you'll be using pounds per point. So just a quick overview, just a reminder. Okay, now our color method is you buy on green, sell on red, buy on green, sell on red. All right, with the tracks here, we're looking for buyer signals. Then we have the pro trading system targets up here, stop placement, all automatically generated for you. And then we have the storyteller indicator firing as well. So it all adds up to a long or short signal. All right, really simple stuff. Long trade is green, short trades are red. Now, with this in the radar, it doesn't take into consideration the stop loss. All right. Now, you wouldn't let a trade go 300 points against you. You'll be getting out for maybe 1 or 2% risk. So let's have a little look here as we go down. We've got the dollar yen's been long. It's up 632 pips. These are all swing trades, by the way. Euro yen up 2,172 pips from the last green buy signal. So that was red, and then it went green. The algorithm then turned green, said more buyers are in control. We want to be buying that market. And dollar Swissy up 289 pips. You can see it moving here in real time, updating itself. Pound yen's been great. You know, we're looking here. You can see, it's a good visual that you can see when some of these currency pairs are starting to weaken. And you can see the pound here. We've got long trades and short trades going on. So it's not really moving that far, even though the pound yen, against the yen, it's up 1,678 pips. So that's been great against the yen. But, you know, against the dollar, it's not really gone that far. Okay, so the yens are really in control. And you can see the euro yen has been strong as well. So we might get some intervention at some point. And dollar yen's been really strong. Dollar CAD's just starting out a long swing trade. Okay, so this is holding for 2 weeks, for 2 months. Yeah, Aussie yen up 1,649 pips. CAD yen up 600 pips. New Zealand dollar been quite strong, guys. Okay, not much happening on that. A couple of red losing trades there. New Zealand Swissy up 583 pips on the short side. But as we dive into the Nasdaq stocks here, you can see it updating in real time. If it's red, it's losing that amount of points. Now, we wouldn't let it go $20 against us. This doesn't take into consideration the actual stop loss. Okay, it will take into consideration if it's just green still, okay, or red. All right. So as you come down here, what you would notice, this is the Nasdaq 100. What you'll notice, you're starting to see more reds inside here saying signals to the short side. You can see there's a bunch of them here that are red. Before, in a major bull market, these were all green. So you can start to see the trend in general of the Nasdaq starting to shift a little bit here. But Amazon, I mean, Amazon's a losing trade. AMGN's making some money. There's some big profitable trades in here, though, guys. Costco up $68. Multiply that by your position size, and that you'll get your profit on that. FANG is up $42. Google up $168 in here. We come down here. Clack, what a move. What a move. 1,326 points that has moved. Huge move, guys. Coming down here, Lulu up $163. We're all over that in our live trading room, in our swing trades. Melly up 432 points. Meta's been short. It's down. That's making $71. Remember, if it's green, it's making that amount of points. Microsoft up $27 on the short side. Netflix up $12, Nvidia up $47. Multiply that by your position size, and you know less your cost or commission, you'll get your P&L there. PYPL $24 here, really nice. PEP just starting a new down signal, which is good. Starbucks has been average. It's been a long signal, not gone anywhere. ROST up $80. Yeah, so but you can see that Tesla just starting anew. We've been looking for shorts on Tesla, and that's coming good, guys. Netflix up $12.15, and yeah, all right. So there's a good view of the Nasdaq 100 in there. Plenty of green on the board on the system, which is absolutely fantastic. If you want to get hold of our system, guys, come and join our Pro Trader program. Okay, you get live coaching, live trading. If you trade in the Nasdaq, the DAX, or the FTSE or S&P, absolutely perfect. You just don't get the Pro Trend system. You get Storyteller, Trend Predictor. Absolutely fantastic software, and all the live trading and coaching from people with over 20 years experience in the market. So there you go. There is the Pro Trading system. It keeps it really simple because we know that the emotion is the biggest killer in trading. We know the emotion. You get out of trades too early before it continues on that move. That's what I used to do when I first started trading. The colors keep you in the trade. The colors keep you in. Until it turns red, you're staying in that market. You need to get big winning trades to grow the account, not always one-to-one risk reward. You want to be going for much more than that, guys. All right. Don't forget, request a call back in the description down below, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Keep updated with these trades, and we'll show you some other software as well. Speak soon. Take care.